Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to air fry frozen cheese and onion bakes. This is the pack I will be using, and these are the cooking instructions. The first thing to do is to remove all the packaging and place the cheese and onion bakes in the air fryer basket. Now transfer the basket to the air fryer and set the temperature to 200 degrees centigrade and the timer to 25 minutes. This is what it looks like after air frying for about 15 minutes. But to get a golden crispy bake, flip it on the other side so that it could help it brown and crisp up evenly. Then pop the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. And there you have it, your golden crispy and delicious cheese and onion bakes air fried from frozen in 25 minutes. These cheese and onion bakes have been air fried till golden with a warm, cheesy, comforting feeling inside, with no preheating or oven needed, just a quick and delicious snack. They are perfect for lunch, for a cozy snack, or even a simple dinner. Serve with beans, salad, or enjoy them on their own. If you love easy air fryer meals, then please do not forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more quick and tasty videos. Now let's cut into it. It's crispy on the outside and rich and savory on the inside. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.